Intuit TurboTax will guide you through the process of entering your required minimum distribution, or RMD. Form 1099-R shows how much money you got from your retirement accounts, like pensions and annuities. Your plan administrator will calculate the RMD each year. The IRS says you need to start taking your RMD when you turn 73. To enter your RMD, begin by selecting Tax Home, then Wages and Income, and pick up where you left off. Scroll to Retirement Plans and Social Security and select 1099-R. You can import your 1099-R, upload it from your computer, snap a photo with your phone, or type it in. The type of distribution will show in box 7. Use the question mark beside the box to see what each code means. Enter the codes exactly as they appear on your 1099-R. TurboTax will ask you a series of questions. This part is important because if you don't take out enough money, the IRS may charge you a penalty. RMD rules apply to almost all retirement accounts. The exception is RMDs are not required for Roth IRAs while the owner is still alive. If you need more help, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.